प्यारा इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है, सबसे पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताऊंगी, फिर मैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन की तरफ आऊँगी। मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसका नाम है पाकिस्तान जीपीटी, पाक जीपीटी, और ये नाम भी सर अमार ने ही सजेस्ट किया था, ये नाम सर अमार का सजेस्टेड है। एनीवेज, तो ये एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कन्वर्सेशनल मॉडल है, और इसका ध्यान इस तरीके से आया था कि मैं दादू सिंध से बिलोंग करती हूँ। हम जब भी गाँव जाते थे तो हम एक चीज़ देखते थे कि एक तो जितने भी टूल्स हैं वो लोकल लैंग्वेजेस को सपोर्ट नहीं करते। दूसरी बात ये कि जो इंटरनेट है इज़ ऑफन लिमिटेड टू 2G या बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करता। तो ये जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है ये उन लोगों के लिए बनाया गया है who have been traditionally left out of digital technologies to ensure that no one is left behind just because their internet is slow or their language is different. तो ये जो पाक जीपीटी है ये एक तो लो बैंडविड्थ कनेक्शंस पे काम करता है और ऑफलाइन भी काम करता है, और इसके अलावा ये लोकल लैंग्वेजेस में कम्युनिकेट करता है। बिल्कुल कस्टमाइज्ड पाक जीपीटी आप कहीं पे भी बना सकते हो, किसी भी तरीके से बना सकते हो। जस्ट
Group photo get cutting ceremony. Miss Afsha, would you tell me and introduce yourself firstly that this artificial intelligence conference in Rawalpindi, the first inauguration in Pakistan. So, how do you see this scenario?
I'm Afsha Tehseen, and I have served in the development sector, with UNICEF. I have served in government sector on the senior positions, and now I'm heading Human Capital Pakistan as CEO. I see this inaugural session of this workshop or a seminar or an event very positively, because it was attended by a very diversified group of people from government, from private sector, from business community, and youth as well. So, in this contemporary era, we cannot live without use of digital technology, without use of artificial intelligence. And today the key three topics of discussions were good governance, the climate change, and business with respect to artificial intelligence. So it was very well taken. Key experts from the respective sectors came here. They presented the arguments, and that was well received by the public. And I believe that until and unless our overall system of governance is not improved, it is not shifted to digital technology, and the artificial intelligence is not used as a key tool and a strategy, we cannot survive in this era, and we cannot compete with the global challenges. So I appreciate Digital Senator Atiq Amar Jafri Saab and all the organizers of this workshop for inviting me also as a resource person and organizing this event, which will be the first of the series, which will be regularly a feature in the coming days to promote digital technology and artificial intelligence. Thank you very much.
As they say that this program is free for everyone. So, can you see it is possible or not?
No, it is definitely possible, because they have expressed their overall, open invitation to all the people to come and attend it and benefit it, and then give it back to society as a cause.
Amar Jaf Saab, as you inaugurate the AI, okay, and as you said that this is the free of cost training. So, would you tell me in initial base that how one 48-year-old person get advantage to this?
Right now I'm giving training 7:30 a.m. in the morning, free of cost. This is through this AI center, right? Yes. Today we have announced that in this hall we will give free trainings to all those who will give us on a stamp paper that whatever they will learn from us, they'll go back and they will tell to their unique councils, villages and their cities. Otherwise they'll have to pay. Either they have two choices, either pay us or don't pay us and go back. So personally, I think that this is the process. We call it AI for all. So I request you, your viewers, that please approach me. My number is 0300 855 1479. Let me repeat again. 0300 855 1479. आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप मैसेज करें कि आप अपने गांव में अपने इलाके में एक AI सेंटर खोलना चाहते हैं। मैं इस वक्त भी फ्री ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ, इस वक्त जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, और जो उसका अगला फेज़ होगा उसमें आप लोग ज़रूर आएंगे।
Mia Atiq Saab, would you tell us how the Pakistani people find this AI digital marketing or digital training? How they find it in
Thank you
free?
very much. As far as my brother, today's word, all over the world there is one thing which is technology, technology, technology. Technology becomes the need of today. No one can deny this fact. Our motive is AI for all. I mean AI.
My question is that how for all?
That's what it is.
There are
That's
no.
what it is. First of all, everyone should realize that AI is a need of today. This is the first step. Second step is this. Then they should involve in it. They should try to learn from different forums. As we have started already, AI teaching, AI services, AI our sessions in Urdu. That is for everybody. Even they can learn in Urdu specifically, and for those who are already learned people, my motive is this: just to understand first, realize first that in the coming era, no nation will live without artificial intelligence and the use of artificial
Is
intelligence.
this free for the all nation or who don't afford and he want to?
No, I'm very sorry to say, it's not the time then we say that this is not in the affordability. It is just a matter of realization. There are many platforms who are serving to giving the knowledge of AI. If anybody want to learn the AI, there will be no expenses, there will be no charges for the basic learning.
For the basic.
Thank you very much.
Sir, how do you see the future of AI in Pakistan? There are a lot more jobless in Pakistan and no one can afford this. No? So would you tell me that they are continuing as they claim that we give the basic knowledge of the AI? So they continue that or not?
I understand. I am Australian citizen living in Sydney, Australia. So AI actually in Europe and all the world, we are going to decide that AI will be effective in the futures, like top of the list. I mean, this is the information system, as you know. In Pakistan needs that AI should be learned to everybody. And I understand that the next generations will be reliant on the AI because they should need it that way. As the time is passing, everybody is looking forward to learn the AI. AI is very easy system. And we can AI can be facilitate to the people of the Pakistan in different sectors like a business, like a computerized systems, like a technology.
But is it
like
possible that
education.
they give the free training for all the nation? This is possible?
Is possible. I mean, the IA will be effective strongly in Pakistan because the new generations would be like this systems, and they can't. I mean, like a mobile phone. Mobile phone. Everybody is having the mobile phones and rely on the mobile phones.
Thank you very much.
So, in next generations, will be rely on the IA.